Hi, we are from Sbpi Rawang. Rawang Integrated Boarding School, or Sbpi Rawang, or better known as Spinta, is a full boarding school type school located in Bandar Tasik Puteri, Rawang, Selangor, Darul Ehsan. Spinta is one of the full boarding schools that implements the Tafiz Model Ulul Albab program, in addition to Sbpi Batu Akid, Semak Bentong, and Sbpi Selandang. Next, let's meet our team members. Hadif as a leader, Afadib as ID generator, Teacher Adilah as our mentor, Zulfadli as our video editor, and Haras as our designer. Climate is getting hotter day by day. The moisture in the air is dried out, which causes the air to feel hot. Even with a fan, the air still feels hot because the lack of moisture.
What if there were a product that can produce cool air without the need to produce greenhouse gases? For example, air conditioning. We need to create a product that can cool the air. If can, it also has to be portable and DIY.
Also contains silicone rubber straw, air hole, plastic wrapped cardboard, and cooling towel. The benefits of product is it's sustainable, user-oriented, portable, and of course it's DIY concept.
Is the cost for our product. As you can see, it is made from recyclable materials and very cheap. Why our product is necessary? Because extreme heat can cause discomfort and health issues such as heat stroke.
All from us. Thank you. Bye.